My name is Cameron from I-nstein. I'm here to show you some of our functions of our search feature through the file management. Under analytics, you're able to see these three search bars, and along with this left column, gives you three different categories of save search, tweet tags, and hot list. Save search is anything you input within the search bar, you're able to save it if you really want to, and you're able to re-input it instantly through your search bar. Gives you the same functions on all the information needed, any image needed, obviously the translation feature, and how reliable this information is. Tweet tags, just the overhanging topics of all of these things. And hot list, anything you search within your save search, you're able to send it to your hot list if you want it to be more of a higher priority for something you want to go back to. So within the search feature, you could actually date range it and simplify it to other countries or specific usernames or specific hashtags, all letting you search for even more condensed of certain information than just these words. So you can come over here to your hot list, like I said, and you're able to pull anything into the search bar, auto search. And as you can see here, there's an order between these two words. So anything you look up that is this word or this word will populate. Same thing here. You do protest or attack. Search it, and your populated tweets will go from 26 to 20 or to 67, allowing you to see multiple different things of attacks or any other words you look up. You can also do and, so you can do attack and say movements. You're able to look up any tweets within the system, shows you attack and movement within the same. Obviously you can save it over here and then send it to your hot list if it's something you really want of importance to you. Thank you.